Hey buddy. Today I'm about to put this decal on my dash. Yeah, I got it from Go For Racing.
I mean,
it's a truck bed kit. The floor.
From the store.
But I'm gonna go ahead and use it for the dash.
Whatever.
I mean, I can paint the dash, because I've done it before.
Yeah, I remember you doing that.
I'm gonna try this decal
good job
out.
too, if I remember correctly.
Thank you, sir.
Nah, thank you.
So I put it in the water. You know what I'm saying? Let it soak it up a little bit. Now the decal, I guess it was kind of old because it cracked once I tried to slide it off the paper. So, I believe it was already cracked. I just couldn't see it. But whatever. Hakuna Matata.
Okay. So anyway, I got the little piece off. And I put it in place. Yeah, you see that? It look kind of stiff though. Now, at this point, you're probably wondering, but how are you going to get it to conform to the shape of the dash instrument panel, Gerald? Wait, I know. How did you do that? Most modelers probably know about this stuff. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing new. It's been around for a long time. I've been using it for a long time. Some of you may not. So now, for those that don't know, I'm going to introduce it to you. This is Microsoft. And what it does, it softens the decal. Like really softens. Like if you mess with it too much while it's soft, you can really, it just dissolves it. So this stuff, it'll get your decal to just take the shape of whatever's underneath it. You know what I'm saying? It works really, really well. And I love this stuff. I just don't really mess with a lot of decals that gotta go in, awkward places. So I don't really use it a lot. I've used it for a while, but I don't use it a lot. You know what I'm saying? So how long have you had this bottle? I had this bottle for so long. It's been years and years and years and years. We get it. So anyway, it's just a process. You take your time with it. Don't rush it. If you rush it, you're going to tear your decal up. So just go ahead and slather it with a coat. Let that sit for a while. And slather it with another coat. And you can see the detail right there. You can even see the radio. You know what I'm saying? Radio knobs. So yeah, I love this stuff. It looked like I painted it on. Wait, but I didn't paint that on. I used Microsoft. So now I'm just trimming the decal up. You know what I'm saying? Getting it how I want it. And you might be wondering, why did I do it before I painted it? I'm not gonna lie. I was wondering that. I don't know. You might want to put it on after you paint it. You might want to put it on before you paint it. I don't know. So basically, it's up to you, I guess. I like to do what I do, how I do it, when I do it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, now I'm just painting my dash up. I'm going with the light blue. Going with that light blue, huh? And as you can see, I got it painted up pretty good. I'm still gonna do some detail work. You missing put some chrome on it. Those knobs and everything. I gotta put my gauges in. As long as you see it too. I wasn't gonna say nothing. Yeah, I gotta do a lot of things. I gotta put the steering wheel on, of course. But yeah. That brings us to this point in the video where I'm gonna say farewell. You know what I'm saying? I hope you liked it. Hope you I never heard you say that. Share this. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your enemies, tell everybody. You know what I'm saying? What? Yeah, I just put this in there. I don't even know why I put it in there. Just realized you made this part. I just did it. Cleaning my brush. Next time, get me the end. So yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all. If y'all have any ideas on anything that I put in any of these videos, feel free to share your knowledge. Yeah, we appreciate that. What I'm saying? For sure. But so guess I'm out. See y'all later. Peace.